So guys, if you are getting the update error 0x80004002 during Windows update, this issue is quite common on Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. So this tutorial will work for both operating systems. First, we are not going to run an SFC scan. Instead, we will directly target the real root cause. So press the Windows key, type CMD, then right click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now run these commands one by one to stop the Windows Update services. Once all the services are stopped, open File Explorer and go to C Drive, Windows and Software Distribution. Now delete everything inside this folder. Don't worry, you are not deleting Windows or your personal files. These folders only store temporary Windows Update files, not system files. So delete everything inside this folder. Now go to System32 folder and search for catroot2 folder. Delete everything inside the folder but do not delete the folder itself. The catroot2 folder stores temporary files used to verify Windows Update. If these files get corrupted, update checks fail and error like 0x80004002 appear, even though Windows itself is not affected. So deleting everything inside the folder is absolutely safe. Now go back to command prompt and start the services again one by one. Once everything is done, restart your PC. Then open Settings, Windows Update and click Check for updates. In most cases, error 0x80004002 is fixed here. That's it.